Hey everyone. Smile Tone, welcome back to Dream Finder. Today, I'm working on something really interesting. My expensive celluloid glasses broke. Yeah, totally snapped. But instead of throwing them away, Smile Tone, I decided to restore them myself. Trust me, you're gonna love this project. Let's get started. This is that broken glasses. One side completely snapped into two pieces. Usually, people just throw it away, right? But I thought, no way, I'm not throwing this out. Many people try fixing glasses using glue, but honestly, pause 0.3s, none of those glues make it strong enough for daily use. They just don't last long. So today, I'll fix it in a way that gives it a lifetime guarantee. Let's make it stronger than before. First, I removed the handles. Then I applied a little bit of super glue to fix the position. It's holding its shape now, but not yet ready to use. For a lifetime solution, I took some copper wire. I stripped off the plastic cover and used the fine wires inside. Then I melted them gently into the frame using a soldering iron, so the wires stay hidden inside the body. After cutting off the extra wire, I repeated the same on both broken sides. Now the frame surface feels a little uneven, so I'm smoothing it out with the soldering iron. Alright, let's test it. Excited tone, I pulled the frame slightly. And wow! It's back to its normal shape, completely strong again. But the surface isn't smooth like before. So, I took a 0-grade wet sandpaper and carefully started polishing the frame. Now it feels smoother, but the repaired area looks a bit off in color. I tried watercolor spray first. But it didn't match perfectly. So now, I'm using black color spray instead. I sprayed both sides evenly to get the same design and tone. And look at that! The whole frame now has the same color, smooth and beautiful. Finally, I reattached the handles. The glasses are done. The broken part is now lifetime strong, and it looks completely brand new again. If you enjoyed this video, or found it helpful, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. Your support means a lot, it inspires me to make more creative projects like this. See you in the next one. Stay creative, stay inspired.